Every successful business knows that the customer should always feel like they're number one when you interact with them. But it takes a lot of oversight and coordination to ensure that every customer gets the best out of your entire team, especially when multiple departments need to engage with them. SalesNexus lets you automate the customer engagement process, ensuring that every customer has the best possible experience throughout the entire customer life cycle. Let's say that every time you acquire a new customer, several people on your team have important tasks to do. Orders, welcome email, packaging, shipping, tracking, customer satisfaction survey email, a follow-up call, you name it. No problem. Just tell SalesNexus what you'd like specific team members to do when a new customer is acquired and when you'd like to have it done. The right messages are sent and the right things are done every time, on time. And management has an instant oversight on any team members who may be falling behind.